So this was, I haven't seen this one broken out. So retro.
Nice.
Lunch Ross Ray.
Kids model sandwiches.
Made by Jordan.
Getting hits in this product?
One auto. Is there any game use? I don't think there is.
No.
The autos are pretty... Oh.
Sweet.
All the cards are stuck together.
So you get one autograph in the whole lot?
Yeah. Pretty good box to break. You don't see many of these around. This might be actually a first.
24, is it?
Yeah, 24.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Come on.
You need some help, don't you? Oh, it's stuck or? You're okay.
Oh, he's an autograph already.
Oh, I saw who it was.
Was it? Who was it? I don't want to go.
Will Chamberlain. No. Who was it? I don't know.
Probably an autograph in his pack.
Yeah.
That was fast.
Oh, that look good.
James Posey.
No, Jason Terry.
I've got the base set in these.
Yeah, they're not bad, aren't they?
Cards.
Oscar. Larry.
Wow. That's a All-Star pack. That's a rookie too.
All-Star pack.
Ray Allen.
Oh,
Zoe.
Joanne.
With the string.
Oh, that's nice.
Langdon. Ray Allen. How many cards per pack?
I think there was 7, isn't it?
6.
Anyway. 6 is it?
Yep.
Will you see me on YouTube tonight?
Shemine Jones.
Oh yeah, now you will.
No. Shout out. No.
You know what it means?
Stick with the card.
See you, mate.
Garnett.
Okay, not bad.
That's a hit, is it?
Another bit.
Insert.
Oh, that.
I wonder why I couldn't pack it that way.
Anthony Hardaway. Houston.
Oh, yeah.
G'day, mate.
Andre.
Are you collecting the set or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I can't ask for that Houston then. Or the Willis Reed. Yeah.
1-1 man, come on.
1-1?
Yeah.
1-1 bait.
Parallel, gold parallel.
There you want some.
There isn't any, but I got this.
Oh, yeah.
Bibi. Raheem.
Richmond.
Avery.
So it's Rocky?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it is.
I think so.
I don't care. Insert.
Oh, here we go. East.
Luke's.
Odom.
Odom.
Oh, Jordan.
Down in the PC.
Oh, here we go. Good. Oh, 2 inserts. What is that? That's nice.
He charges $50 an hour.
That's nice. It's quite a good pack, isn't it?
It keeps me away from what he's snoring. He's
Wait a minute.
arm around you.
Sonny is always going down to this way in front of the car. He's both stayed at the same hotel.
Yeah, because one time they stuffed up the room, we had to share a bed. Are you jealous?
Bender.
Steve Nash. And he's younger.
Don't worry, we had
Age.
two cases down the middle. It's alright. Too much information. Maybe that's why he keeps doing that to me. He wants to encourage me.
That's the second time we got him ready to take.
Oh, the Bush here. Nice. Who is it? Dave the Bush here.
Jason Williams. Avery.
Matrix. The rookie, isn't it?
I'll pay full price for my table and stuff like that.
You get a set out of it tin or?
Pretty.
Yeah, I think so.
So what was the autograph? It's on the So just tell me who it is. I won't tell. Is it any good?
No, you gotta wait till.
Come on, hurry up.
Kid. Francis.
Hayden.
Hayden.
Right, there you go.
I think it's Carter.
Is that rookie?
No.
Are they inserts? Pistol with insert. I'll wait for it to come out.
Everyone was just waiting for the order.
Here's number 1.
Stocks.
We've got about 10 more packs to go.
Jamison. You.
Oh, give me this.
I can tape it if you want.
Ewe.
I can tape it if you want. No worries. You off now?
Yeah, head off.
Thanks for seeing it, mate. Thanks for coming down. And
Stockton.
I'll watch YouTube movies tonight.
Henderson. Campbell. Mercer. Grant Hill.
Grant Hill.
Another green.
Decent.
Put your green hill there.
Later, man.
I won't pinch it on you.
I will. Oh, yoink, yoink.
Put your green hill there. That's your insult.
The Iceman.
Numbered.
The Iceman.
Numbered cards.
Oh, Tim Hardaway.
Hardaway.
Tim Hardaway. Sure you don't want to let me have the Tim Hardaway and the green hill?
Okay.
Only if he gets the double.
Oh.
West. Okay, nice.
Just Weber.
Put Tim Hardaway there.
Gervin.
So which one's the number one you were talking about? Or are you just hoping to?
Parallel 1-on-1. 250.
How much?
Out of 250.
Oh.
Or 50.
If
Right.
the auto isn't any good, you got a lunchbox.
Barry.
Expensive
Jordan.
lunchbox.
Oh, but it's not numbered. Pity. Should be 50.
Everything's got to be Jordan, isn't it? For you.
Reed.
Jones,
Jones. Stoudemire.
Rail, all today.
Listed.
Cool. Is that green?
That's one in 18 packs too. This one in 18 packs.
1 in 8.
18.
Oh, it's not
Is
bad.
it? Yeah. Epic Jordan. 1 in 23. 1 in the box. Hardaway.
Houston.
Grant. Baker.
Phil Walton.
It's disappointing. Miller, Barry, Bibby, Maxwell, Maggette, Richmond.
Seven. More packs.
Chamberlain. 2 pairs no order.
You've been
O'Neill.
ordering the pool of the day.
Parrish. Thompson, Zerbiak, Archibald.
And you got Russell. Russell? Not bad
Vernon.
consolation.
Worthy. Okay.
Birdsong.
Bergson, who's that? Walker.
And Horn.
Jordan numbered cards in these.
I pulled them all out. They're all gone.
Marbury. Pippen. Rockets. Artest, that's pretty good. Duncan.
Is that a rookie?
Yeah, well, that's it.
Okay.
You know,
Brady.
Gonna go there.
That's a nice pack.
do you want Paul to give you a hand?
No, Paul's right. How can you collect the whole set of them?
Thomas.
Hughes.
Guliada.
Reggie.
Miller. Irving.
Andre Miller.
Oh, too
yeah,
bad is.
250.
Oh,
That's the
bad.
numbered insert of the box. Oh, it's a rookie, Andre Miller.
Playing for the Sixers now.
Yeah, not done bad. I want to have to do this video with just a few parts, man.
He's nearly finished.
It's at the 9-minute mark.
Barkley. Wow. Chabal. Frazier. Nice cards though, but pity. Plays.
Never really.